Good afternoon from InvestSharp. This is Randy Smotone with your Friday, November the 6th market update. On the economic front, the monthly non-farm payroll data showed a loss of 190,000 jobs, which was worse than the forecast of losing 175,000 jobs. And the unemployment rate has increased to 10.2%. Oil was down over $2 today to settle at $77.43 a barrel. Go over and take a quick look at the NYMEX light sweet crude oil futures. You can see here that right down in the 76, we'll call it 76.50 or so area, got some support in here. It's been there since the end of October. We're still holding that support, so I wouldn't be too scared and bail out of your energy stocks as of yet. I'm sure some of them were probably pulled back a little bit today, but as long as we hold this level in here, then I wouldn't be too concerned with it. Let's go over and take a look at the Dow. The Dow closed up 17 points to close at 10,023. The S&P closed up 2 points to 10,069, and the NASDAQ closed up 7 points to 2,112, and the NASDAQ had the largest percent gain at 0.34%. So quick look here at the Dow chart, not really changed much. This week's been a great week, just going on up. Just remember to keep an eye on this 10,100 or so level, since we've broken this uptrend line to the downside right here in this area. It could be resistance up here, and we've already been up here a couple times, so it's going to take a lot of buying, a lot of volume to push us through that area of that 10,100 mark. So let's keep an eye on that. Let's look at the SPX real quick. Looks about the same. Let's look at it on a 60-minute chart. So we're out of this channel still. We're just here, kind of stuck in this area. We didn't really do much of anything today. We just kind of tracked sideways. It was a pretty good day though, since we're still holding the 10,000 on the Dow is promising. So we'll see how that goes. But so far we've held it, broke it again, and we've held it so far. Since I like the performance of the technology stocks, yesterday I shared a watch list of top stocks in the computer storage device sector. Today I am sharing with you a watch list of top stocks in the computer network sector. So I'll over there, give you a few seconds there. Of course, you can always stop the video, so take a look at those. 11 out of the 16 sectors that we follow finished in the green today, with gold and the retail indexes leading the way. Both were up almost 2%. The weakest sector was the oil index, which was down 0.67% on the day. Let's go over and take a look at the volatility index, the VIX, or the S&P. And we've just been, volatility is just coming right back out of the market here. It just keeps going down. We're down another, almost 5% today. No fear. That can be good or bad. It can be good for the short term. It can be bad if there's no fear at all. So, in the long term. Let's take a look at the current market signals over on the InvestSharp website. We follow the point and figure charts for the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P. As I mentioned in the market analysis yesterday, the NASDAQ was close to going on a buy signal, and it did that today. It printed 2,110, so it put it back on a buy signal. So that puts all three indices are now on buy signals per the point and figure charts. We also have a new price objective, of course, since the NASDAQ's not going to buy signal. We have a new price objective of 2,280. So this is a good thing. We've got all three of these on buy signals now. Let's go over and take a look at the NASDAQ point and figure chart. As I talked about yesterday and showed you, once we printed this 2010, whoops, we'd go back on a buy signal, and we've done that. So your price objective up here has been updated, and the point and figure chart calculates this for you. You don't have to do it. And I use the point and figure chart on stockcharts.com if you're interested. That's really it for today. So have a great weekend, and remember to always invest sharp.